tanan leaders in attendance, department heads, fellow government employees, maayong buntag sa tanan. Please allow me to briefly introduce our next speaker who will give us the Sangguniang Panglungsod highlight. A man who proves that public service is the best form of gratitude. For 53 years, he has devoted his life to private success. A self-made businessman who built his name through hard work, dedication, integrity, and most of all, guidance from our Lord Jesus Almighty. And now, he has chosen to give back, to pay forward. And by doing so, he has decided to be a public servant. He is not just a partner, dili lang kaabag, but a true ally in public service of Mayor Frederick Siao, our National Representative Congressman Celso Rehencia, our City Councilors of the 19th Council, our beloved department heads, and of course, kitang tanan nga public servant sa LGU. Known as a man of few words, but more of action, he leads quietly, but he works powerfully. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce our very humble and down-to-earth Vice Mayor Wikwik Oy.
Makahilak ng butado. Maing buntag, Barangay City Hall. Siyempre sa atong pinaka-abtik, energetic, og sila pa, guwapo, butan, matso. Sikan-sikan ba to? Mayor Frederick Siao. Sa akong kauban sa council, akong igsuon, Ayan Oy in presence ha. Si Ayan Oy, Councilor Ayan Oy, Councilor si Sharby Shakur, pinakagwapa, Attorney Marlene Yang, pinakagwapo Batso, Rirandang Kumunog, akong uncle Randy Ong, o pinakakalma nato nga councilor si Ramil Imburong. Di ko nato kalimtan ang usa ka pinakagwapa nga dito sa kilid, si Nicole Kapangpangan. Nakita nako si Pisyo Carasabal, si King Belmonte, si Derek Kaming, si Bong Abragan. Nagpabawot ko siya nga nato siya ilakaw, exempted lang siya. Sa atong mga department heads, sa atong mga gwapa o gwapo pod nga PNP, BGMP, atong Bureau Fire, sa atong Chief of Staff, Bernie Padilla, sa atong City Legal, Attorney Bert Padilla, sa akong konsultant, Attorney Elmer Maglinaw, siyempre akong Chief of Staff, nalimtan, Boots Avellinosa. Sa ako pong pamilya, sa SP Secretariat, pinangunuhan ni Attorney Arthur Padilla. Sa tanan, no? Kay base na ako'y na kuan sa ato tanan, maayong buntag. pagprepara ani akong ibasahon karon, nireklamo ko sa akong staff. Kay ingko taas sa bana pamubi. Iyang giusab gipamuban. Taas mong gihapon. Siya nga kinanglan nimos basahon para mahibaw-an sa atong katawhan o sa atong kauban sa City Hall nga naatay gibuhat diri sa sanggunian. Hibaw mo usap ko nga og taas sa kay istorya di nako ganahan maminaw. Ay ato i-welcome si Councilor Derek Xiao. Basta taas na istorya, di na ko ganahan maminaw. Kabalo ko, pipila lang sa ato, dire, ang mutiwas ng paminaw. Pero naanaman ko dire, hala, pugos mo paminaw sa ako. In the spirit of public service and good governance, I am honored to present the latest legislative milestone of Sangguniang Pangunsod of Iligan City. We have 47 city ordinances and 11 appropriation ordinances, totaling of 58 ordinances. Daghan na kay tag-ordinansa. Idugang na din siya. We have also approved resolutions, 349 initiatives that uphold the welfare of our people to protect their rights and build a safer and more progressive community of all Iliganons. Iuna na ako diri si Juan, si championing rights, welfare, and inclusion. Kang Councilor Nicole Kapangpangan na siya nahimo nga ordinansa, no? Students' Right, Welfare and Safety Act. This is a landmark resolution safeguarding students' right to free speech, due process, protection from harassment, fair school policies, and access to mental health services. Naabot siya resolution upholding the dignity of persons with disability by institutionalizing respectful language in public and private transactions. Ato ikaduha, kang Councilor Derek Xiao, City Ordinance number 25-7681, Children at Risk Ordinance, establish programs, services, and interagency task force to protect children at risk with clear referral mechanism and funding support. Kapoy pa mi daw, taas para ba ni? Okay ra mo? Taas pa, number 2 pa ni siya. Resolution number 25-689, authorize the fast-tracking and refurbishment and renovation plans for the city, Iligan City Public Library. Kang Derek Xiao niya, kang Councilor Bernard Pacanya, Peace and Order and Public Safety, prohibits the consumption of alcohol beverages in public places and impose penalties for violation to maintain peace and order. Kaduha, no? Resolution number 25-630, request public and private entities to provide timely access to CCTV footage in aid of criminal investigation. Kang Michelle Sweet, atong i-acknowledge si Councilor Sammy Huertas. Michelle Sweet, City Ordinance number 25-7646, declares Maria Cristina Falls, Tinago Falls, Mimbalot Falls, Agos River, and the Makaraig Ancestral House as official cultural heritage sites in Iligan. Resolution number 25698 authorized the mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement with the NRCP for the 3As Urban Resilient Project to enhance ecotourism, environmental management, and urban resilience, public safety and city identity. Councilor Marlene Yang. Amendment and anti-dangling wire ordinance. Further strengthen regulation and dangling and obsolete cables requiring color coding, tagging, and regular maintenance for public safety and urban aesthetics. Resolution requests CAAP, DOTR, and major airlines to officially include Iligan City in the destination name for flight to Lagandingan Airport. Kasagaran, sakay taog kaning airplano, i-welcome ta sa Cagayan de Oro ug Lagandingan. Walay Iligan City. Muna gihimuan ni Councilor Marlene Yang nga apelo ng Iligan City kay kita mo'y mga agianan sa uban cities nga nilarga agi sa airport. Utility management and water conservation, kang Councilor Huertas. City Ordinance mandates ICWS to conduct inspection and high water consumption consuming commercial establishments after the issuance of renewal of business permits. Education and anti-bullying advocacy, kang Councilor King Belmonte. Shortcut na lang ako City Ordinance number 2576-74, Anti-Bullying Act 2013 in Iligan City, ensuring safeguard and implementing mechanism in schools. Resolution number 25-613 urges establishment of an integrated sports center or arena with an oval track and athlete training grounds. 8. Food security and procurement efficiency. Ang kuwane, why dapig-dapig, Councilor Ayan, oy. Resolution number 25-1932 recommends negotiate procurement agency to agency for the purchase of affordable rice from Food Terminal Incorporated to support food security for Iliganons. Apit na, laay na mo, gamay na lang yun. Kani, si Pastor Councilor Randy Ong, moral recovery and spiritual discipline. Resolution enjoins the mayor to issue an executive order requiring observance of morning prayer in all LGU department. Ramel Imborong, Advanced Emergency Response Team. Resolution number 25-498 adopts a next generation advanced 911 emergency response system for Iligan City Incident Command Center, modernizing emergency response and coordination. Kang Councilor Sultan Ridandang Kumunog, no? Advancing indigenous right and inclusive government. This resolution urges Mayor Frederick W. Xiao through the City Development Planning Office to support and include the Higaunon Ancestral Domain Sustainable Development and Protection Plan in the City Development Plan, emphasizing the need to protect their ancestral land, culture, and sustainable development. Ordinance. The ordinance creates an IP help desk in every city government department to provide assistance, documentation, and representation for indigenous peoples with defined function, structures, and funding. Natingala ko na ay counselor nga wala ni gawa silang mga ordinansa basig na mislook sa staff, pero halos tanan counselor naghimo sa ilang mga buhaton diri sa atong syudad. Sa di pa na ako tapuson, lipay na mo humana. Sa ngalan sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, we extend our heartfelt appreciation to all members of the 19th Council for unwavering support, dedication, thoughtful leadership, and commitment to public service. Through your authored ordinances and resolutions, you have not only addressed the pressing needs of our constituents, but have also laid strong foundation for a more inclusive, secure, and progressive Iligan City. As we close, let us remember that these ordinances and resolutions are more than documents. They are commitments to make Iligan safer, fairer, and more progressive for every Iliganon. Its effort from protecting students and children, preserving our heritage, ensuring peace and order, to promoting food security and moral discipline shows that together we are building a city that cares and acts. Salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw. And for our fellow Iliganons, your trust and support give purpose to our work. Padayon og uban ta sa pag-asenso Iligan.